So hey guys, welcome back once again, and in today's video I'm just gonna talk about two of the interesting thing that I found out on Stable Diffusion. First of all, let me tell you guys the first thing that I'm gonna talk about the trick that I have already made a video yesterday. Let me tell you guys, I've already made a video about epic noise offset, image to image section, messing with denoising strength, and yes, messing with multi-control model as well. In that video guys, I have already explained in detail how I messed with this settings in order to get some amazing results. So if you haven't seen that video, then do check out that video. It's a very detailed video as well. So basically based on that video, I was just messing around with this thing today and I found out some interesting results like this. As you can see, these were the results that I got. For some reason I found it very interesting. I don't know, but yes, I don't know what is this thing. I think it's a double exposure like thing, but I found it very interesting. This was the accidental result that I got with this theme. I will show you some of the result as well that I have already saved out. As you can see, this was the result that I got. Amazing result. I just love the result. Similar to like this was the result again with some different settings, and yes, it was totally amazing. So this was with different image. Okay, so that was the result that I got with different image, different theme image, and this was something different with different theme image again as well. But as you can see, this image as well, pretty interesting, like totally amazing result. I don't know what it is, what I should say about it, but if you know about this thing, then do let me know in the comment section below, because in short I will share you the trick that I was using. Let me share you what I was doing. Once again, I was using epic noise offset, some images like this on image to image section, and denoising strength to 0.45, and ControlNet model, multi-controlnet model. You can mess around with Eros model as well, and you can mess around with canny model as well. So as you can see, this was the result with single canny model. You can go with multi-control model or single model as well, so you will get results like this, but the important thing is epic noise offset. So that's the thing that I found very interesting, and I will show you some more result as well, as this was one of my favorite result that I rendered. And similar to this was not that great, but something similar to like that only. I don't know, but yeah, do let me know in the comment section below something like a double exposure images. You can see this image as well. Pretty interesting image, right? So I was just messing around with this setting. This was with the Eros model. I can definitely say that this is a Eros model image, but yes, some interesting images as well. So yeah, that's the thing that I was messing around and I found interesting. So that's the first thing that I wanted to talk about. And the next and the very important thing that I found, and a very interesting thing as well. This is a user guide by RPG V4 creator. You can definitely see RPG V4 model detail guide going on by Anashel. This is the creator of RPG V4 model. As you can see, let me show you. Yes, definitely RPG V4 model, Anashel, created by Anashel. And yes, you can definitely find this guide over here as well. Download the user guide V4.3 here. Yes, definitely you can go and download. And let me tell you guys, this is a very interesting thing. The reason to this is a very detailed guide. You will find lot of things. If you want to improve on Stable Diffusion and you want to generate some amazing result, okay, this is just a RPG V4 guide, but with this guide you can definitely go and mess around with different model as well. But if you want to generate some interesting result with RPG V4 model, then this guide is for you. And if you want to study deep into how to generate some great result, there are a lot of things going on. As you can see, tile range, cloth style as well, core prompt background, and negative prompts, lots of things going on, Controlnet section as well, and yes, RPG V4 workflow going on as well. So there is a lot of things going on this guide. And yes, definitely if you want to learn, then I will recommend you to go through this guide. It's a very important thing for you all, and I will respect. And first of all, let me thanks one again to the creator of this model. And this is a very interesting thing and very much needed thing as well. If you are a beginner and you want to learn things in detail, then yes, definitely you need to go through this guide. So that's the second thing and the very interesting thing that I found today on internet. And yes, these were the two things that I wanted to talk about today. And yeah, that's it for today guys. I hope so you guys like this, but yes, I will be back with more and more interesting videos like this as well. So these were the two topics that I wanted to discuss you, and yeah, both of them were very interesting. Let me tell you, first of all, the thing on Stable Diffusion ControlNet, I don't know what I result got accidentally, but let me know about this as well in the comment section below. And the second thing is RPG V4 guide. So that's the two things that I wanted to talk about. And yes, I will be back with more and more videos tomorrow. Till then, have a good day. Bye guys, love you all guys. Bye guys.